So I'll tell you one example. Okay. See here, I will go to incident form. We'll see one more type of field which are very important. Okay. So do you see additional assignee list? Additional assignee list. Additional assignee list. If I click on it, it will unlock. Okay. And then there is a reference field as you seen for the caller. Okay. There is a reference field as you can see for the reference field for the caller. Okay. Here also it is having the reference field. Okay. The moment I click on this, okay, where it is routing to, where it is navigating to, and which table it is navigating to.
User
System underscore user.
Come again.
User
Sys
tables.
underscore user table. Correct?
Yes.
So I'm selecting it. One user. Okay. Again, I am clicking on it. Okay. And I'm selecting one other user. Again, I am selecting one other user and lock it. Okay. Lock it. Now coming here. Okay. Come here. Caller. Then take one guy. And do I able to take one more guy? Multiple selections. Okay. Here it will be only one. Okay. Here it can be many. You can select many here. So I'm able to select many people here, multiple people. I'm select this guy. I'm able to select this guy. I'm able to select this guy. I'm able to select this guy. So whenever you are having this kind of scenario, probably will be using the list field, which is most important. Okay. You will unlock it. You will select it. You can select multiple people. So you will select multiple people. Then lock it. Okay. That is the difference in between caller, okay, and this additional assignee list. Okay. In caller, this is also reference field, but where it allows you single user or single record to be selected. But here you can select multiple. Understanding? But how do we create it? And the beauty I will tell you, not only reference field you will be selecting, you can select many. That I will tell you. But for now, let's create the kind of field is called list. Next field is list. List field one. Okay, not list view, it is a list field. Okay, let's quickly go to our requirement. Let's convert into that particular requirement. Okay, here, this is our application. Name, email ID, qualification, resume, year of experience, and mobile number. Okay, next skill set. Okay, here, can I add one more, requirement into our job seeker application? Referred by or where you can refer someone. Okay, I will be adding refer. Okay, I can add multiple people for this job ID. Can I do that? Let me convert into that particular requirement. Let's do this. Okay, go to our table and say new. Okay, and type list. Select list, and here I am giving the name as refer. Okay, And next maximum length, I don't need to give anything. Okay. Here for list also, you don't need to click on submit, just to save it. Okay. Save it. Then come down, go to reference specifications and select the table. What table we are referring to refer anyone? What table can I refer? Here,
This underscore you.
_, user. Because I will be referring some other people. The people will be storing in user table. That's it, for example. Okay. Here, I will select users and then submit it or update it. Okay. This is, you can leave it. Okay. This is kind of filterizations. Okay. Reference equal conditions. If you need, okay, like active is equals to true. Only people who are active, I will be choosing them. That's it. For example, the filterization, you can take it. For now, you leave it. Update it. Okay. Now, thus the name with refer the field or column will be created. Okay. And let's go to our form and quickly check it. Refresh it. Okay. Unlock it. Select it. And I select ability. Okay. It is added into the bucket. And next, I'm adding one other Abraham Lincoln. I'm referring this guy. I'm referring the other people and lock it. Lock it. So this is how the list field works. You can select multiple choices or users or any record here. You can refer any table, ma. Okay. It's not only this user table. Depends on your requirement. You can convert into that and you can select the table and do it. Fine. Any questions? Anyone? In the same way, we will create, okay, the choices also, and the choices, multiple choices, I can select and add it here. Okay. If you come here, okay, you just observe here. Here, I can select one choice or multiple choice. If I come here,
One type.
one choice, right? Here I can take a one choice. But tell me, there is a requirement where I wanted to add multiple choices. I don't want it to be added only single choice. I want to add antivirus and email, for example. Okay, but how can we do it? In list, you can be able to do it in list field. Okay, let's create it quickly. Let's go to our table, say new. Okay, from our requirement, let's take it. Skill set. Skill set, did we create it? No, right? Did we create the skill set related, requirement related, any field?
No.
No.
Yes.
Let's take it. Skill set. Because skill set can be multi. For example, type list column label I am giving. Okay. And I'm saving it. Okay. I'm not doing anything. I'm saving it. And see, come here, come to our job application and refresh it. See, skill set is also created, but you don't see any options. to select. Correct? Do you see reference table or reference column type here? Do you able to see anything? No, right? Would you able to see
Yes.
anything? How do you select the choices, multiple choices or multiple users here? There is no option. Okay. I need to be give multiple choices here, for example. Okay. If you give or don't give reference table there, it shows something like this. Okay. Let's go there. Okay. For now, just come down. Come to choices. Okay. Let's create the choices. For example, skill set, you tell me. Okay. See, now I am not going to say new. Okay. Say new can be open the new window. But from here itself, I will be creating the choices also. You can click on new, then the new window will be opened. See here, something like this. And from here, you will be creating the choices, correct? That way also we had learned it. But from here also, you can be able to create directly. Okay, you just see here, observe here. Insert new. Okay, skill set, you tell me. Skill set,
JavaScript.
JS. Okay, value, small JS. Okay, fine. Then automatically it will be added. Next, insert new. Okay, label it is not taken up. JS, says insert new. Next, Java. Okay, backend value name should I give or automatically takes for choices?
You need to do.
We need to give it more. QA. From here also I can be able to create the choices instead of clicking on new. Remember. Okay, don't confuse. For example, Selenium. I can be able to create more from here also. Okay. And next, what is next? For example, ServiceNow. Let me. Okay. And that's it now. Refresh it. Okay. And go to our form. Okay. Refresh it. Now you see anything you be able to see here. Able to see the choices?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can select Java. I can select QA. I can select Selenium. These are all my skill sets. Then I will log it. In two ways, you can be utilize the list field that can be for choices and for the reference type. List, you can be utilize it for choices more. Okay. And next for reference field also. I would say reference type also. Okay. Fine. Any questions here? This is how you will work with list. And this is the behavior of list. And you did something learned today. Choices can be created instead of new directly on the view. We will be able to create it if you want to save your time. First time learners, if I tell you right, it will be a bit confused for you. Okay. If I first time I was saying you, instead of that, I can say from here, it will be a bit confused for you. So that I was clicking on new, then even you will be aware of the table. So that is why I had told you that way also. Fine. Any questions, ma? Anyone? Yeah. That's it. List related. We'll see more. Mm, Type list, decimal, integer, file attachment, choice, string, reference. Okay. Did you use date and date time? Did you use no, right?
Sir, how about the dependent field, like support assignment
Dependent
loop?
field, yes,
Mhm.
here dependent field here, right? I will come for that now. See here. I will tell you one requirement. Come. See. See here. Dependent field. If I select software related choices I should see. That is what no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will cover it at the end of the fields. Okay.